Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered when we might witness the spectacular sight of a supernova with our naked eyes? Supernovae are being researched since ancient times, and they are one of the most energetic yet beautiful events that we know of. So how often do these supernovae events occur? And when will the next naked eye supernova event take place? This is the Universe Factory, and in this video today we are diving deep into the cosmos to explore the fascinating phenomenon of supernovae and ponder these questions. Before that, a gentle request to our new audience to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon next to it. It would mean a lot and you won't miss out the latest updates and the happenings in the world of astronomy. We are on social media as well. Check out the links in the description below. Make sure to find us and follow us. Before we fast travel into the future, let's understand what a supernova is. When a massive star comes to an end of its life, it doesn't go out in a whimper. Rather, it explodes in a majestic fashion known as supernova event. This explosion can briefly outshine entire galaxies and produce elements crucial for life as we know it. Have a look at this image as an example. This is NGC 4526, a lenticular galaxy located at around 55 million light years from our solar system in Virgo constellation. The bright spot just below it is not any star or any galaxy. It is SN 1994D, a supernova that was caused by the explosion of a white dwarf star composed of carbon and oxygen. Supernovae come in different types, but today for our discussion, we will focus on type 2 supernovae. These are the most common and occur when massive stars exhaust their nuclear fuel and they collapse under their own gravity. And we have been eagerly awaiting the next celestial fireworks display visible to the naked eyes. So when can we expect the next naked eye supernova event? Well, it's challenging to predict with certainty, but astronomers estimate that on average a supernova occurs in our galaxy about once every 50 years. However, our Milky Way is a very huge galaxy and many factors contribute to the unpredictability of these cosmic explosions. Factors such as the lifespan of massive stars, their distance from the Earth, and the angle at which they explode all play a role in determining whether a supernova will be visible to the naked eye from our vantage point. Throughout the history, astronomers have documented several naked eye supernova events, with the most recent being supernova 1987A in the Large Magellanic Cloud. It was the closest observed supernova since Kepler's supernova in 1604. Light and neutrinos from the explosion reached Earth on February 23, 1987. Its brightness peaked in May of that year with an apparent magnitude of about 3. It was the first supernova that modern astronomers were able to study in great details. This is what it looks like now. This is the remnant of the star. Isn't that glorious? Before 1987A, the closest observed supernova was Kepler's supernova in 1604. Visible to the naked eye, Kepler's supernova was brighter at its peak than any other star in the night sky with an apparent magnitude of -2.5. It was visible during the day for over 3 weeks, and records of its sighting exist in European, Chinese, Korean and Arabic sources. This is what the remnant of Kepler's supernova looks like using modern space observatories. But perhaps the brightest supernova in the recorded history was SN 1006 that reached an estimated apparent magnitude of -7.5. That means it was almost 16 times as bright as Venus, clearly being visible during the daytime. This supernova was at around 7,500 light years away and is located in Lupus constellation. This is what the remnant of this supernova looks like, simply majestic. But are there any stars that are any closer than 7,500 light years that might soon erupt in stellar explosion? And how will it look like in the night sky? Despite the uncertainty, astronomers have identified several potential candidates for future supernovae in our galaxy. These are total 6 supernova candidates within 300 parsecs from Earth. One of the most notable candidates is Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star located in the constellation Orion. Betelgeuse has exhibited signs of instability in recent years, leading to speculation that it could go supernova in the relatively near future. Starting in October 2019, Betelgeuse began to dim noticeably, and by mid-February 2020, its brightness had dropped by a factor of approximately 3 from magnitude 0.5 to 1.7. But what was the reason behind it? Make sure to watch the dedicated video about the great dimming of Betelgeuse. By 17th February 2020, Betelgeuse's brightness had remained constant for about 10 days and the star showed signs of re-brightening. On 22nd February 2020, Betelgeuse may have stopped dimming altogether, all but ending the dimming episode. We have posted another video where we discussed when Betelgeuse began brightening again. Don't miss that also. So do you think Betelgeuse will go supernova anytime soon? Or has it already exploded? Comment down your thoughts below. But whenever this will happen, it will appear brighter than a full moon when it will explode. This will not harm anyone here on Earth, but just imagine what a spectacular sight it will be. Supernovae are believed to occur every 50 years on an average in our Milky Way galaxy, and yet not a single event has been recorded by our modern telescopes. So when will the next naked eye supernova event take place? Will that occur in our lifetime? It is essential to remember that predicting supernovae is still an imprecise science, and nature often surprises us. While we eagerly await the next naked eye supernova event, astronomers continue to monitor the night sky, scanning for signs of impending cosmic explosions. Thank you for joining today in this wonderful journey by watching this video and supporting the channel. Hopefully you got to learn something new today. It would be great if you like and share this video with your family and friends. As we wrap up today's journey through the cosmos, I would like to hear it from you, fellow stargazers. What are your thoughts on the next naked eye supernova event? Do you have any favorite celestial wonders you'd like to share with us? Let me know in the comments below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic content that we regularly post here on this channel, just like these videos in the suggestion. We'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Until next time, as always, keep looking up.